The project management process is what you need to manage your project work. But do you ever wonder how the project management process fit together? And, if you're looking to find the answer, then you have come to the right video. As per Project Management Institute, the project management process includes initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing the project. At a high-level look, the project management process looks like start, plan, do, check, act, and finally end. Initiating is basically the start of the project, where project come into existence. Planning is simply making a plan before starting the work. Executing is doing the job as per the plan. Monitoring and controlling is basically checking progress and doing correction if needed. Closing means the end of the project. So, how do these processes interact with each other? Well, it's all start with the first process of initiating. The project is officially approved in the project initiation process. As a project manager, you determine whether the business's case can be met, and do high-level planning. After approval, the project moves from initiation to detailed planning. In this process you create a plan for how do you do the planning, and how you will execute, munition, control and close the project. Then project moves into executing process. The project team complete the work as per the project management plan. This is the stage where the majority of project work is done. As a project manager, you make sure all the processes and procedures are met by the team while doing the work. While work is being done, the work performance results are fed into the monitoring and control process. This process makes sure the tracking of the project with respect to baseline defined at the start of the project. If there is a variance from the plan that required changes, the change requests are evaluated. This helps in tracking the project progress with respect to the initial plan and trigger corrective actions based on observed variances. All approved changes fed back to the initiation step for making adjustments in baselines and replanning. The revised plan is fed to the execution process. Ultimately, when the work is done or the project is terminated, the project is moved to closing process. Remember, your life is a project too, and you are the project manager of your life. Make sure you achieve all your objectives through this process. If you'd like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.